Basel is Switzerland's gateway to the Rhine River, the end or beginning destination of many cruises, but where to stay that's convenient to the city sights, yet offering stylish comfort. Trams connect the riverfront with Basel's historic marketplace in the heart of the city. The Hotel Marthof, with its grand neo-Baroque facade, overlooks the plaza, a central, convenient location. Dating from 1894, the building has been many things, most recently a department store, until a complete transformation as a luxury boutique hotel. The design takes a nod from the Art Deco and Jazz age, blending contemporary comfort with hints of the building's past. For design lovers seeking a hotel with a true sense of place. An elevator to the third floor leads to the prime position Marketplace Junior Suite, which takes its name from what will be obvious. The room is elegant, very spacious, and modern. A work desk with a view, and an open design. But the highlight here is the balcony. The rhythm of the city becomes part of the experience. Views of the iconic Red Town Hall, a window on the world. The location at the center of the city and easy transportation connection makes onward journeys across Switzerland and Germany a breeze. Basel's main railway station is only 3 tram stops away, as well as the city's attractions and easy walk. Beautifully appointed premium and deluxe rooms offer other options for couples and families. There is a modern fitness center with a sauna and steam bath for a more relaxing pace. At the top of the building is one of the hotel's hidden gems. An attic meeting space opens onto a rooftop terrace with views across the rooftops of Basel and down to Market Square itself. The Bohemia restaurant and bar, with indoor and outdoor seating and elegant atmosphere, is located right on the Marktplatz, making it easy to settle in after a day of sightseeing with a signature beer or anticipate the next departure.